Chapter 5. The Glorious Return of the Lord Almighty. Imagine the skies split with a righteous thunder, and the Lord of hosts returning to assume his rightful reign, not as a stranger, but as Savior and Judge. The book of Revelation paints a portrait of consummation, the restoration creation, the end of mourning, and the inauguration of everlasting justice. This return is not merely apocalyptic spectacle. It is a repair of a broken world and the crowning of mercy over misery. For the faithful, this is a great reunion. For justice, it is the final vindication. For love, it is the harvest. For those who walk in persistent opposition to light, this will be a day of reckoning. Let the prospect of his return kindle in you a holy urgency. Turn, prepare, comfort others, and live as citizens of the kingdom already coming.